My name is Captain Sikandar Maisale. I am currently working as principal in Girik Maritime Training Institute. We have been associated with ANVAY for a very long time, and Captain Raju and our director Kunal, they started the practical place together, and we used to have a lot of practicals at ANVAY, and so we've been associated with them for a long time. We wanted to start the PSF course, so one of the requirements was the faculty and the principal must have passenger ship crisis management course. So that's how. Now we were looking for the course. We realized there are only three places we could do the course. One was ANVAY in Mumbai. Second option was Kolkata and Chennai. Obviously, we chose Mumbai. Now we came the booking. Now looking at the whole process, the booking was quite smooth, and the reaching the institute was a breeze, and parking access to the institute is not a problem. Parking, there's plenty of parking available, so we don't face any problems. As we come up here, we realize the reception. The reception area is well laid out, and all the persons who are working, they are very familiar with their particular jobs, so that's a good thing. So you don't have to run around much, and you're guided smoothly right from your registration, your booking, and the course attendance. Coming to the infrastructure is I think one of the best in Belapur. The classrooms are in very good order. Hygiene is good, and the food is good. There are in the classes one or two small things could have been sorted out. Like the board was on the blackish side, so if the faculty writes something, so difficult to make out. Otherwise, the infrastructure, overall infrastructure is good. Now coming to the faculty was good. Captain Bhamani, he was good in the introduction, and then we went for the practicals. Practicals got a lot of praise for ANVAY, the way they conduct the practicals, the way they plan the practical, the way the whole practical is conducted. Every candidate is made to take part in the practicals, and after the practical again, you have proper debriefing after the practicals, and overall it's a good experience. And plus the other noteworthy thing about the instructors was both the instructors. One was Mr. V. Singh, I don't remember the other name, and both were excellent. Especially Mr. V. Singh, I would have a lot of good words for him. And not only he's focused, disciplined, and he plans everything well and executes well. Now we haven't completed the course yet, so let's see how the course completion goes about, and then we will see how the exam thing proceeds. Overall, my experience with ANVAY was good, and since we are also in the training industry, we have a lot of things to learn from ANVAY regarding the management infrastructure, your management of booking, and the people, and especially in the reception level, at the booking level. So we have quite a lot to learn, because the whole process is what we call it, it's smooth and it is hassle free. So I think ANVAY I would rate it one of the best institutes, and we will take away a lot of good things from ANVAY. Thanks.